Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Mazda Cx-30 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just your factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so now that the headlight is prepared, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight and make sure you align the film to this section of the edge of the headlight. Carefully lift the film once you align it and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to hold it in position and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure you secure a good amount since this is a small area to work with. So just tack the film down to secure it. Once it's secured, now we can move on with the rest of the film. So all we need to do is a light stretch in order to reach it to this edge. Once we stretch the film, apply Tack Solution underneath, stretch the film, and now apply it on top, hold it in position, and secure it. Now what we need to do is secure the middle section, so apply Tack Solution on the film, and with your squeegee, start tagging it down to secure it. So the last thing to do before we post-heat the film is remove the fingers that we see in the middle section here. To remove those fingers, just apply Tack Solution on both sides. Grab your heat gun and apply heat around the fingers, that way the fingers start to shrink. Once you applied enough heat, we're going to wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and start tacking them down. And you just repeat this step until you remove all the fingers. And then after that, before we post-heat, make sure there's no bubbles underneath the film. And then once we're done, we can move on to post-heating. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire panel. So just apply Tack Solution all over the film. And with your heat gun, you're going to heat all around the film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and also remove any fingers that are still around the film. And as we're heating the film, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down and secure the film, and also remove any solution that's still underneath the panel. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Mazda Cx-30. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.